Welcome, students of Standard 9. How is your study going on? Okay, you must be doing well. Okay, so let's go ahead with polynomial exercise 3.2. Okay, how was 3.1? Okay, reply. Okay, write in the comment box. Okay, so first, this is also very easy like this. Use letters to express. How to use letters to express polynomial? Okay, there are 8 trees in a village. A. Suppose 10 trees in a village, but 8 trees in a village. A. Now plus B tree increase per year. B increasing per year. So in 2 years 2B, 3 years 3B, 4 years 4B, 5 years 5B, X years XB, but better write BX. So A were already there and BX new trees. So total number of trees A plus BX, right? Okay. Any doubt, right? So Y students in each row and X such rows are formed. How many number of students? Okay, suppose 10 students in each row. You stand for PT no or drill. 10 students in each row. Okay, and such 15 rows are there. 10 in each row, such 15 rows. So total number of students 10 into 15, right? 150. So if Y students in each row and X such rows, total number of students XY. As you multiply 10 into 15, here X into Y, just total number of students XY, finish. Understood? Okay, 2-digit number, you know, suppose taken for example 48. 48 number, 8 is units place, 4 is a tens place. So you have to expand, you expand like this, 4 into 10 plus 8. 48 is because 4 is in the tens place. 40 plus 8, 4 into 10 plus 8. So M is at the tens place. So you can't write number Mn, M into 10 plus N. N is in the units place. This is the answer. Whatever tens place, digit multiply by 10 plus units place. That is a number you can express in variables. Right? Simple 48 whatever, it's okay. 55, 56, 73. You can 7 into 10 plus 3. But the 73 is okay. We know that they are numbers. But M and N you don't understand. So you have to write whatever tens place multiply by 10 plus units place. Okay. Now addition of polynomials. First sum over. Okay. Any doubt you write. Second sum, add the polynomials. Add means you don't have to change sign. Many students make mistake, they add unlike terms, but you are not. Okay, add only like terms. So if x cube is the first term, only other x cube can be added or subtracted. Minus 2x square minus 9 is the first term. Plus you have to add 5x cube plus 2x plus 9. Anything cannot be added. X cube will be added to x cube only. So 1x cube it is plus 5x cube, it gives you 6x cube. Okay. Now x square will be added to x square, but no other x square. So minus 2x square directly. Okay, plus 2x, no other 2x, no other x term. So 2x directly. Minus 9 plus 9 cutting. Answer of first sum of second addition. 6x cube minus 2x square plus 2x. Right, over. Getting? Second sum we are going to see. Minus 7m fourth. Any fourth term? M fourth is there. Okay, can be added. Plus 5m cube. Okay, m cube is there. Root 2 irrational. M cube, m square, no other m square. So this is only one term. M, only one term m. Minus 6, no rational number. Okay. So m fourth we will see. Minus 7m fourth plus 5m fourth can be added. Minus 7 plus 5 is minus 2m fourth. M cube, 5m cube minus 3m cube plus 2m cube. Okay. m square, 2m square, only 1, m, only 1, 3m, minus 6, rational first, then irrational, plus root 2. Simple. Getting? Like terms, okay, many students make this mistake. They add unlike term and go wrong in sums. Okay, but you will not. Okay. Next, third sum of second. 2y square plus 7y plus 5, quadratic this is. Plus 3y plus 9, oh, one more term. Plus 3y square minus 4y minus 3. Okay. So only y square is the highest term. So y square can be added. 2y square, 3y square. Okay. 2 plus 3, 5y square. Y here, here, here. 7y plus 3y, 10y. Minus 4y, 6y plus 6y. Okay. Now number only. 5 plus 9, 14. 14 minus 3, 11. Over. This is the answer. 5y square plus 6y plus 11. Understood? Easy. Not difficult. Third, subtract second from the first. Okay. So second you have to subtract. So give minus sign. Write the second polynomial in bracket only. Okay. So first polynomial x square minus 9x plus root 3. Okay. Minus, put bracket because you are subtracting. Addition you didn't require bracket. Okay. But subtraction, because all sign change. Because many students do mistake, they only change first sign. Other sign same and wrong sum. This minus sign outside the bracket will change all the signs inside the bracket. Okay. So x square minus 9x plus root 3. Now this is second polynomial in the bracket with minus sign outside. Minus minus plus 19x. Minus plus minus root 3. Minus plus minus 7x square. Okay, we'll go to like terms. Square term is highest. X square minus 7x square minus 6x square. Okay. Minus 9x plus 19x. Minus 9 plus 19 plus 10x. Plus root 3 minus root 3, cut. Simple. Okay. So answer minus 6x square plus 10x. Easy. Okay, next sum. 2ab square. Okay. So ab square only you have to see. Plus 3a square b minus 4ab. Subtraction. Second polynomial inside bracket. 3ab minus 8ab square plus 2a square b. So this minus will change all the signs. Okay. So first we will change 2ab square plus 3a square b minus 4ab. Okay. Minus 3ab minus minus plus 8ab square minus plus minus 2a square b. Okay. Now 2ab square, 8ab square. Okay, ab square can be added. ab square and a square b are different terms, not like terms. They are unlike terms. Even ab is totally different. Just letters are same, their powers also, degree must be same. 2ab square, 8ab square. 2 plus 8, 10. 10ab square. 3a square b minus 2a square b. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 no need to write a square b. What is remaining? 4ab, 3ab. Minus 4ab, minus 3ab. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 7ab is the answer. Understood? Easy. We'll go ahead. See properly. Okay. Okay, we'll go ahead with sum number 4. Multiplication of polynomials. You multiply bracket to bracket multiplication. You have done last year, but still multiply. Two polynomials given. One is 2x, x square minus 2x minus 1. Okay, this is monomial and this is trinomial. We'll multiply directly 2x in bracket x square minus 2x minus 1. 2x into x square, 2x into x into x square, x cube, 2 into 1, 2. The 2 into 2, 4, plus into minus, minus, x into x, x square. So 2x into 2x, 4x square, plus minus, minus. 2x into minus 1 is minus 2x. Getting? आता second, x fifth minus 1, first polynomial, second polynomial x cube plus 2x square plus 2. First x fifth, all the this is binomial and trinomial. So 6 terms will be there, 2 into 3. So x fifth 3 term minus 1 3 term. X fifth in bracket, second bracket. X fifth first in x cube plus 2x square plus 2 minus 1 into again second bracket x cube plus 2x square plus 2. Understood? Now x fifth to all the 3 term. X fifth into x cube x raised to 8. Indices a raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. X fifth into x square x raised to 7. 1 into 2 2. X fifth into 2 2x fifth. Okay. Minus 1 into x cube minus x cube. Minus 1 into 2x square minus 2x square. Minus 1 into plus 2 minus 2. This minus will just change all the signs. Okay. Now no like term to add or subtract. All unlike terms. So this will be the answer in descending order, proper. 8 7 5 3 2. Direct answer you got, and marks also. Getting? You will go ahead. This is binomial, this is trinomial. So 2 into 3 6 term again. 2y plus 1 first bracket. So 2y second bracket, y square minus 2y cube plus 3y plus 1 second bracket, y square minus 2y cube plus 3y. Okay. 2y into y square, y into y square, y cube. 2 into 1 2. 2 into 2 4 plus minus minus. Y into y cube, y fourth. Okay. 2y into 3y 6y square. 2 into 3 6, y into y square. 1 into same thing, y square plus 1 it is, so no change. My 1 into 2y cube minus 2y cube, 1 into 3y 3y. Now similar, yeah, there are like terms. 2y cube and minus 2y cube directly cutting here. Okay. Minus 4y fourth, no other y fourth is there. So minus 4y fourth. Y square term 2 are there. 6y square plus y square, 7y square. And y term is only 1, 3y. Understood? Don't make mistake. Remember this. Only like terms with same power, same degree, same variable can be added or subtracted. Unlike term cannot be added or subtracted. Okay. So next sum, fifth sum. Divide first polynomial by second polynomial. Write in the form dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainders. You know this, you have done last year, your chapter division of polynomials. So x cube minus 64 is first polynomial, that is your dividend. X minus 4 is your divisor. Quotient you have to find out and remainder. Okay, x cube and 64, only two terms are there. But x cube, x square should come, we will write 0x square. And then x should come, not there, 0x, minus 64 as it is. Okay. Now x cube divided by x is x square. Okay. So x into x square, x cube. X square into minus 4 is minus 4x square. Here we have to change the sign, plus minus, minus plus. X cube cut. 0, now a new sign you have to take. 0 plus 4 is 4x square. 0x carry forward. X into what is 4x square? 4x square upon x is 4x. So plus 4x. Now 4x multiplied to both the term. 4x into x is 4x square. 4x into minus 4 minus 16x. Change the sign, minus plus. Cut. 0 plus 16, new sign 16x. Minus 64 carry. Minus 16x, so 16x minus 64. X into what is 16x? 16, very simple. 16x minus 64 minus plus, cut. Minus 64, cut. Plus 64, 0 is the remainder. If remainder is 0, it means second polynomial is a factor of first. If they write, you have to, then later on we will see that. Okay. So this is the answer. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. There is one more sum of division. I am going to do it. The board is over, you can copy down. We'll go ahead. Okay. Second sum of question 5. Division. See here. Divisor is given, 5x, dividend is given and divisor. 5x fifth plus 4x fourth minus 3x cube plus 2x square plus 2 is a dividend. Here x term is missing, so I am writing 0x for that. For division, all terms should be there. Okay. And this is the divisor, x square minus x. Okay. So first, 5x fifth divided by x square. X fifth upon x square is x cube, indices. So 5x cube, you can directly divide. Monomial you have done last year. 5x cube into x square, that this multiplication should be exactly this term. Then 5x cube, you have to multiply second term also. Into minus x is minus 5x fourth. X cube into x is x fourth. Here you have to change the sign, minus plus. You have done this last year, plus 4 plus 5, 9x fourth minus 3x cube. Now x square, what's the 9x fourth? 1 into 9, 9. 9x square, that is the second term. 9x square you have to multiply by both. 9x square into x square, 9x fourth. This term should match. 9x square into minus x is minus 9x cube. Change the sign. So minus 3 plus 9, that is 6x cube. Okay. This is cutting. Now 2x square down, carry 6x cube. X square, what's the 6x cube? 6x. Now 6x into x square is 6x cube. 6x into x is 6x square minus, change the sign, cutting. 8x square plus 0x. Okay. So 8x square, x square, 8x square, directly 8x. 8 into x square, 8x square, 8 into x is 8x minus 8x, change the sign. 8 into minus x, 0 plus 8x, and now 2 carry forward. That is plus 2, this is a remainder. So dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder is the answer. Understood? You can practice from standard 8 also book, or you have thrown the book. You have done in 8th standard. Okay, or more practice you can do from any other book. But you need practice. This is very scoring chapter. Okay. And the last sum, sixth sum. See what is given. This is length of farm. Farm length is 2a square plus 3b square meter. Meter. And breadth is given as a square plus b square. So what is area of rectangle is length into breadth, right? So area of farm is L into B. This into this, bracket to bracket multiplication. 2a square into this bracket plus 3b square into this bracket. Okay. Open the bracket. 2a square 2a fourth plus 2a square b square plus 3a square b square plus 3b fourth. These are like terms. 2a square b square plus 3a square b square is 5a square b square. This is area of farm, total farm. Now there a house is built with side a square minus b square. Area of square, that is a square form. Area of square is side square. So area of house is side square. Side is a square minus b square square. We will use identity. A minus b square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square square is a fourth minus 2 a square b square plus b square, that is b fourth meter square. So this remaining plot how much? This is a farm minus house. So this will be remaining. You have to subtract. This is subtraction of polynomial. Area of remaining plot is area of farm minus area of house. This is area of farm minus area of house. Subtract, change the sign, minus plus minus, a like term. 2a fourth minus a fourth is a fourth. 5a square b square plus 2a square b square, 7a square b square. 3b fourth minus b fourth plus 2b fourth meter square. Answer. Understood? This is very easy chapter and scoring chapter. You can score very high. Okay, if you practice properly. You want more practice, you can join my online tuition. Okay, 1-to-1. call for that. WhatsApp number provided for online tuition. Okay, and give like, share, subscribe. We will continue with this. Okay. Tell your friends also to study. Watch regularly again and again. Okay. See properly. Don't just copy, and after understanding, try yourself. And if it goes wrong, just watch again. Find out your mistake. Okay? And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay? See you in the next video. That is 3.3. Simple.